Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the fingerprint camera sensor on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently create an opening using a suction cup. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the flashlight sensor plug bracket and then disconnect the plug. Next, undo 9 screws securing the board cover and then pull out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the bottom cover by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug, the antenna board plug, two main flex connector plugs, and the LCD plug from the secondary SIM card board. Make sure the SIM tray is out. Next, undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the secondary SIM card board and flip it to access the antenna head. Next, disconnect the antenna head. Next, undo two screws securing the speaker. Next, gently pull out the loudspeaker by moving the white antenna cable. Next, apply some heat to soften the fingerprint sensor flex. For this, use a heat gun and then gently pry the broken fingerprint camera flex from the body. Next, place and secure the new fingerprint camera to the body. Next, place the loudspeaker on the body. Ensure the white antenna is not blocking the speaker place. Next, place the secondary SIM card board on the body. Before that, secure the antenna head. Next, secure the SIM card reader board by adding the screw. Next, secure the fingerprint plug, the antenna board plug, two main flex connector plugs and the LCD plug into the board. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the cover by adding 6 screws. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board cover and secure it by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the flashlight connector plug and secure the bracket. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.